Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm a gear expert with BARSKA. I'm here to demonstrate BARSKA's 4-rifle biometric safe, which features a quick access biometric fingerprint scanner. First, you must locate the battery compartment on the inside of the safe's door. Remove the battery cover and insert 4 AA batteries. The safe is now ready to program. To register a fingerprint, locate the red program button on the inside of the safe door. Then, press and release the button. Place your finger on the scanner and you'll hear 1 long beep and 2 short beeps. Your fingerprint is now registered, and to add additional fingerprints, just repeat the registration process.
Place your finger properly at the center of the sensor and scan. Scan the same finger multiple times at varying angles. Scan your finger higher on the sensor, lower on the sensor, diagonally, and at other odd angles. The more times you scan the same finger in different positions, the higher the sensor reliability will become.
To open the safe with your fingerprint, press the wake up button 1 time. You will hear a beep and the scanner will turn red. Place your fingerprint on the scanner and the safe will open. This rifle safe also comes with 2 backup keys. To use the backup keys, remove the BARSKA faceplate and insert the keys into the lock. You can now open the safe manually. The safe also features a silent stealth mode, which allows the user to access the safe quietly and covertly. To program the stealth mode, press and hold the programming button on the inside of the door until 2 lights flash. The safe will now operate without beeping.